Alright, what's up guys? We're going to be purchasing Rain-X at the M5 brand new machine. Alright, let me see how Rain-X is doing. I mean, it's $2, man. It's, let's see, it's A9. I'm not supposed to have, let's see, A9. Let's see how much is that? Guaranteed. Alright, let's see this good part is. Alright, 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. I just need one more quarter, and I'm gonna get this one, Rain-X. Alright, it's $2. Alright, let's see. Let's see. We want A9. Let's see. A9. There we go. Rain-X. Alright, that was awesome. We got a Rain-X. The towel to use towelette repeat rain, sleet, and snow. Improves wet weather. Dry and versatile. Applies to extreme glass. And this car wash is quite busy. So what's on the system? How you doing? Alright, so there's no more coins. So this. What? Okay, just me. Hey, so yeah, that's just the full update on this car wash, and got the Rain-X, so I'm going to use them for my mom's car. I mean, I like Rain-X washing and stuff, and I know I can't get everything all the time. So, yeah, so that's just a quick video of me purchasing Rain-X. These two touchscreen automatics get busy all the time. They're really powerful, though. And looks like the car is done, and the lady who needed some help was done. And I think the white truck in this bay is about done. It's completely done. So, I mean, it's about done, so that's just an update. Just me purchased the video, short video of me purchasing Rain-X. Alright, that being said, I mean, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon. Alright, thanks for watching.